Welcome to my channel. My name is London and we have filled the empty box yet again. So you know what that means. I'm going to be going over my empties. If you're not familiar with what I've been doing with my channel lately, is with the pandemic going on, I've been really focusing on doing more of a low buy and focusing on what I have in my collection and trying to finish it up. So these are all going to be my roundup of what I feel about them, if I'd repurchase them. So let's get straight into it. So this is the Goldwell Rich Repair Shampoo. I finished the conditioner a while ago. Me and my fiance both used this and we both loved it. I don't know if this is only for cosmetologists or if you can buy this from your stylist or if it's available somewhere else. I don't know, but this is a fantastic shampoo and conditioner. It took a heck of a long time to finish this up between two people. It lasted a long time. You only needed to use a little bit and it worked amazing. It helps with color fading, hydrating your hair, repairing your hair, all of that good old stuff. I probably wouldn't repurchase this. I am the kind of person that just likes to change up shampoos. I'll use like 3 different shampoos at a time and like cycle through them. I don't know, I'm kind of weird like that. We have a face wash. This is by Glamglow. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I got this from my friend Nessa and this was like halfway gone when she gave it to me. And she didn't like it because it made her skin more dry. I have combination skin. This worked a-okay, though it foamed up a lot. It was a very thick consistency, but like once you added water, it just was bubbles. So if you do have this, or if you're planning on getting this, like a little bit goes a long way. I don't even know if they sell this still. No clue, but I have a lot of face cleansers, so not repurchasing at the moment. Peace out, acne healing dots. I can never have too many acne dots. They are such a lifesaver. You can tell because I do have a full coverage foundation on, but I did have some breakouts from my monthly present and these were a godsend. Oh my gosh, they literally get rid of a big old breakout in like 2 days. It's amazing. If you're just human and you happen to get breakouts every once in a while, or like that 1 or 2 really big one that you always need to get rid of in like a day or 2, you need these in your skincare collection. I have another packet that I'm already digging into. Love these. Always are gonna have them. So this is Florence by Mills Gloya lip oil. Y'all, Florence. I've been getting a lot of comments because when Florence initially came out, I did a lot of videos over Florence by Mills, and literally almost all of the products that I have from the initial like launch have all gone bad, this one included. I don't know if it's because it's a little bit more natural or what the deal is, but the foundation got really weird, the concealer got really weird, and I pulled this out and I tried to use it a couple of times and it just didn't smell right. It wasn't okay, so I wasn't comfortable using it on my lips, so it is in my get rid of pile. I don't really understand. A lot of people keep asking me to review what's new with Florence by Mills, but I just can't really bring myself to do it because I was so excited. I liked a lot of the products initially, but a lot of the makeup products just didn't age well at all for me, and I just got a weird vibe from it. And so I've kind of distanced myself and I just haven't really even been checking Florence by Mills at all. That's just me personally. There's a lot of other brands out there that I am more interested in and just want to spend my money on. So I have finally finished the micro dots. If you guys remember, I did a video on these. This is for under eye circles and this is amazing. These are so awesome. They feel really weird at first. They have like these little, there we go. They have these like little spikes on here and they feel really strange, but if you use them a couple of days in a row, oh man, your eyes are looking bomb. I do have one packet left of the focus spots, and this one is line and wrinkles, but I just haven't figured out where I want to use it because that's my last package, so I'm kind of like conserving it. I typically try to use it on my smile lines, but I've been using a lot of really moisturizing and plumping products lately, so I feel like the smile lines aren't really that big of a deal, but I'm saving them for an emergency. This I have had in my collection for so long. This is the Ouai Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub. This is just a little sample size. I've seen the full size, and like this sample size, it lasted for so long. I only used it a few times where like I felt like I was gonna do like a self tanner, or I felt like I had some like more bumps on my arm or like dry spots I really wanted to exfoliate. And like this thing is crazy how like I'm pretty sure I've had this for like 2 years, and like I couldn't imagine the big jar how long that would last. I do have some other body scrubs that I would like to finish, but this one was just like in the first in line. But dang, I don't body scrub every single day, so full disclaimer on that. Probably like a once or twice a month thing, but still, this thing lasts forever. We have a cleanser. This is Youth to the People Kale Green Tea Spinach Cleanser, Superfood Cleanser. Yeah, I like this cleanser. It's really simple, really gentle. It kind of reminds me of the Fresh Soy cleanser in the sense that it's like really gentle on the skin. So I had this little sample size. I think it came with like some moisturizers that I finished in my last Empties, but yeah, this little sample went a long way as well. It helps get my makeup off. It didn't irritate my eyes. If I got the chance to try it again, I would be happy, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to purchase it. Y'all, oh my gosh, this is my second Drunk Elephant deodorant that I finished up. I was so sad when I finished it. I was just sitting here like winding it and winding it and winding it, and I was like, no, it's empty. But yes, I love this deodorant so much. I am going to repurchase this eventually. I have one or two. I have the Kopari and the Kosas deodorant that I would like to finish before I repurchase this one. The one thing I noticed though is that if you use natural deodorants, strictly stick to one, because for a while I switched and I had like this one upstairs, I had one in my bathroom and one in my purse, and I kind of like rotated, but my body did not respond to that well at all. I don't know what the heck, but definitely if you have like more than one natural deodorant, I would advise to stick to them, because my body just, the deodorant was not working when I would use like this one on Monday and then my Kosas one on Tuesday and then my Kopari one on Wednesday. It was not good. No. But overall, this one is definitely my favorite, especially for this time of year, because this one is a little bit more creamy, and so it helps to kind of moisturize under your arms. Like it feels more like lotion than deodorant, and it definitely soothes. If you shave your underarms, this one soothes a lot, doesn't burn or anything. Now let's go to something that I was not a fan of. This is like one of the only things from Bad Habit that I just did not like. This is the night cleansing balm. I waited a little bit too long to return this, so I bit the bullet and I tried to finish it out, but this burns my eyes. I am not repurchasing it. I don't know what the deal is, but man, this is not a fun thing to use, like especially when I wear a lot of eye makeup like today, or like tough eyeliner. It doesn't really get the eyeliner off. It doesn't really help with the mascara, and it burns my eyes. I just know it works good for your face, but as far as your eyes, no. Nope, 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 nope. So this is another one that unfortunately went bad before I got a chance to use it up. I did like this at the time, but it is like 4 years old. So I have dug it up a little bit, but you can't really tell because of the lighting, but a couple spots of it are turning like kind of yellowy and it smells different. So I'm just gonna be safe and throw it away. But this is a fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. But yes, I've had this for like 3-4 years and it's time to say goodbye to it. Just so you guys know, I do try to recycle as much product as I can, but a lot of the times the packaging is not recyclable. This I got when I worked at Sephora. This is a tester from, I think it's Dior. Yeah, I think this is Dior Dream Skin Perfect Cushion. This is amazing. I loved this, but it did kind of dry out because it's a tester and the packaging it's not airtight. The color was a bit dark for me, so if I were to repurchase this, I'd probably get a 10, but I do have a lot of foundations that I would like to finish and they take a long time to finish. This is a great natural everyday kind of cushion foundation type of deal, CC cream, whatever you guys want to call it, but it does have more of like a matte skin-like look to it, but I loved it. It has kind of the same finish as the foundation that I'm wearing today, but it's like super my skin but better kind of a deal. Oh, and then I totally forgot. I tried to pick up the box and I saw that I have this in here. So this is by Dr. Jart. This is the microwater cleansing water. I got this in a Sephora perk and I just use this to get rid of swatches or take lipsticks off during filming, and not much I can say about it. It was a very gentle like cleansing micellar water. Not that much to say about it. And then I'm gonna throw this in the empties as well. This I'm definitely going to repurchase for sure. This is the Murad Daily Clarifying Peel. It has AHAs, BHAs, and retinoids, and this works amazing. I have flown through this. I literally have only had this for like 2 months and I have just like a little bit left. So I know I'm gonna finish it within the next day or two. But yes, this is amazing. If you guys have breakouts or textured skin or dark spots, this is just a godsend and I love it, and it's super gentle on the skin. It feels amazing. It layers really well with skincare. I can't say enough good things about this. Another thing that I want to throw in here, I got this in an Ipsy box. This works. They're like little pads. I've been using these as pretty much the same thing I used the Dr. Jart thing for. It was only a few pads that were in here. 12 pads, yeah. So pretty much I have one left in here, so it's gonna be emptied. Yeah, it says avoid contact with eyes. I can't really tell what these are. If these are like cleansing wipes, toner wipes, or like it says makeup remover and it says daily pollution remover, and it says use morning and evening. So I don't really know what this was, but I just used it for taking off swatches, lipstick, whatever. Interesting to try, not a big fan though. And that was everything in my empties. I feel like the first couple empties I filmed, they were way more spread apart, like 3-4 months spread apart. And I'm so happy that right around this time of the year, I'm getting into like doing empties almost like once a month because I'm filling it all up. And I'm super proud of myself. So let me know, do you guys do empties? Do you do Project Pan? Have you been on a low buy like me, or trying to use up products that you already have? But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.